My name is Aya Nuruddin. I'm currently a doctoral candidate at Johns Hopkins University in the Department of the History of Medicine. I began as a student with Imam Al Kisai Institute many years ago. So one of the things I've learned a lot from the Imam Al Kisai Institute, I've learned responsibility, I've learned time management, confidence, accountability, kindness, and compassion, all from the amazing students and teachers that are a part of this institution. So the values and the skills that I learned from this institute have helped me achieve my goals and have really shaped how the person that I've become today.
I'm a dermatologist. I practice in private practice and also at university hospitals in New York and Baltimore. Sheikh Adam was introduced to me by a colleague. Initially, I was just a student on weekends. One of the important points that Al Kisai Institute and Sheikh Adam specifically emphasizes is integrating the educational, the Quranic educational Islam into every aspect of our life. And the result is good citizens, accomplished citizens, proud of their background and ethical and contributing to the society in a positive way.
My name is Abdullah Ali Wardara, currently graduated from Marymount University. Imam Al Kisai has greatly helped me with many things. Things like always being truthful, being respectful to my parents, being respectful to your neighbors, treating others the way you want to be treated.
My name is Fardosa Wardere. Some of the skills that I got from being here, to be organized, I learned to be on top of everything by being prioritized, and also I learned how to set goals and to achieve them. I am currently a high school biology teacher for Fairfax County Public Schools. At Imam Al Kisai, I learned to really prioritize my time, and time management is a valuable skill that I acquired here, and also I learned how to set goals and to achieve them. The skills that I received from Imam Al Kisai helped me become a great student, not only in high school, but also in my higher education.
My name is Hafsa Abdi. I am a second-year student at Yale University, but I came to Imam Al Kisai Institute of America. They taught me how to be a person, you know, how to respect my elders, how to take care of other people, truly appreciating what I learned here.
My name is Hassan Ahmed, and I am currently a second-year student at the University of California, Berkeley. Alhamdulillah, I've had the pleasure of attending the Imam Al Kisai Institute of America for over 6 years. Under the guidance of Sheikh Adam and the rest of the staff, my years at the school were some of the most formative and life-changing years of my life.
And I'm a graduate of Imam Al Kisai Institute of America. From an early age, the institution has instilled in me very important life principles and the desire to pursue higher levels of education. I am very confident that this institution will play a profound role in developing a clean and responsible society for the future.
My name is Maryam Abdi and I am currently a senior in high school, and I have been attending Imam Al Kisai Institute of America. I am certain that without the education that I have received here at Imam Al Kisai, that I would not be the person that I am today.
My name is Janan Shamsuddin and I am currently a rising junior in high school. Alhamdulillah, I had the honor and opportunity of completing my memorization of Al-Quran Al-Kareem at the age of 13 in the Imam Al Kisai Institute of America.
I have been going to this institute for the past 12 years, and throughout my time, I have been given the opportunity to learn how to read and write in Arabic and memorize the Quran.
Thank you, Imam Al Kisai. Thank you, Imam Al Kisai.
Thank you, Imam Al Kisai. Thank you, Imam Al Kisai. Thank you, Imam Al Kisai. Thank you, Imam Al Kisai.
Thank you, Imam Al Kisai. Thank you, Imam Al Kisai. Thank you, Imam Al Kisai.
Thank you, Imam Al Kisai.
The success stories you just witnessed are a small sample of the thousands of students that the Imam Al Kisai Institute of America, or IAIA, has been producing for the past 15 years. They are the living proof of the efficacy of the Institute's two-pronged approach to teaching that combines the best in classical religious education with the best in the latest comprehensive educational programs. One perplexing question that has baffled Islamic educators and parents alike is why youth who were fortunate enough to receive sound Islamic education early in life still end up drifting away from religion later in life. In many cases, the answer is that many Islamic schools in the world confine themselves to teaching memorization of the Quran and Sunnah. This lack of comprehensive education has impacted the success of many students and communities. To address this challenge, IAIA has developed its own unique, results-oriented curriculum, the fruits of which are exemplified in the impressive success stories you just witnessed. IAIA is a holistic educational institution that was founded in 2003 as an independent non-profit 501c3 organization. From humble beginnings with meager resources, it grew to become one of the most sought-after institutes in the Washington, D.C. area and beyond.
And today we're going to be having a discussion on what makes a good role model and who's your role model.
The Institute's vision that produces responsible global citizens. It instills in its students morals, values, skills, and knowledge needed to enable them to make meaningful contributions to humanity by promoting equality and justice to make the world a better place.
AlKisai Institute is doing for the community an amazing job. They building the faith from ground up, so that the children would grow up not only memorizing Quran, but knowing about the fundamentals of Islam, knowing their obligation to the community, knowing their obligation to fellow Muslims and the community at large.
The mission of IAIA is to provide educational, religious, cultural, social, and recreational programs that inspire students to become responsible, trustworthy, contributing members of society, and to prepare them to succeed in highly ranked universities and professions.
The Institute has been teaching individual responsibility for the children, not only in the Quran and Islamic education, but to their schools. And I think that's what have contributed to, that's what have contributed to many kids in this institute doing well and being accepted to some of the very reputable institutions, higher education institutions in this country, like Harvard and MIT and Cornell and others.
The student's multifaceted character is developed through understanding and memorization of the Holy Quran, a proper comprehension and implementation of Islamic doctrine and laws, and the inclusion of other academic subjects for a holistic learning experience which is rooted in Islamic values. We are devoted to educating individuals in the comprehensive understanding of the Quran. We strive to educate and nurture our students into community role models and global leaders promoting the importance of humanity, tolerance, coexistence, justice, equality, and respect, which are all characteristics advocated in Islam.
Well, the characteristic for
A
this
beehive
week,
of activity, Imam Al Kisai Institute's numerous achievements have focused on academics, youth guidance, and development, which have benefited individuals, their families, and communities. Over the past 15 years, the Institute's unique and comprehensive educational philosophy has helped thousands of students fulfill their goals. Over 4,000 students learned Arabic, and more than 79 students memorized the entire Holy Quran. Over 140 students memorized between 5 to 25 juzes of the Quran. In national Quranic competitions, IAIA students consistently scored first place for 12 consecutive years and dominated one of the first 4 places in 14 international Quranic competitions. IAIA has also been effective in producing academically successful students that distinguish themselves in various institutions.
Alhamdulillah, I've had the pleasure of attending
All
the Imam
praise
Al
be
Kisai
due to
Institute of
Allah.
America for
Many
over
of the
6 years.
Institute's students receive scholarships from such prestigious universities as Harvard, MIT, Yale, Columbia, Cornell, Johns Hopkins, University of California, Berkeley, George Washington, George Mason, as well as full scholarships to some of the top Islamic universities overseas. Graduates continue their successful journeys to become outstanding professionals in medicine, law, engineering, and entrepreneurship in our society. The Institute received recommendation from Fairfax County officials for producing such achieving citizens. Globally, IAIA has become so well known that over 40 renowned Islamic scholars and institutions have extolled and recommended it.
So, I am very happy and very grateful
by the Sheikh Adam what service they give his institute.
Healthy families are indispensable to the nurturing and healthy development of young minds. To this end, IAIA routinely organizes a range of family-related events, including parenting workshops, fun activities for kids, picnics, local and international trips, and matrimonial services. It holds instructional seminars periodically on developing social responsibility, spirituality, and community relations. Along with solid education, IAIA teaches its students leadership skills and innovation and provides training in spiritual, social, and moral principles. As a result, graduates are confident, intelligent, self-motivated, God-fearing, and well-rounded contributing members of society.
Best of the schools to learn and memorize the Quran is right here. Not just a school, it's a full institute. It's called Imam Al Kisai Institute of America. These guys are so competitive that when they go out to other Muslim countries, Arab countries, they come back with the trophies. They're coming back with all the prizes, and people are saying, America? That's right, right here.
The Institute regularly hosts professional networking events where its alumni bring their expertise in various fields to advise and develop current students. These events have been proven very helpful to job seekers. Yet many of the graduates still return to the Institute to teach and bring their children to study here.
I'm also part of a program at Imam Al Kisai Institute where we have regular sessions with the students, where the students are given opportunity to ask questions about their further career. Since I'm in the medical field, I can guide them to what they should do in terms of medical career.
The huge popularity and global recognition of Imam Al Kisai Institute has created such a high demand for our programs that the Institute has been unable to fully accommodate the flood of applications for its current facilities and activities. To meet this demand and the projected future growth, the Institute's founders recently purchased land where the future campus of Imam Al Kisai will be built, and they have developed a detailed schematic plan for its construction. The total estimated cost to complete this project is $7.3 million. Imam Al Kisai Institute urgently needs your generous donations to complete this major undertaking. A project of this magnitude cannot be completed without your support. We have the talent, we have the know-how, and now we have the land. What Imam Al Kisai Institute desperately needs is your financial contribution to serve Islam and humanity.
What has the Imam Al Kisai Institute accomplished so far?
By the permission of Allah, the Imam Al Kisai Institute has accomplished a lot since its founding to nurture good citizens who can become role models and leaders for their communities and to promote the values of tolerance and coexistence and respect that are advocated for by Islam.
My name is Joe Pavlak. I'm here to help kids who need help to learn English, to learn math and science. And so here are some of my new students today. What motivates me is called the Golden Rule. The Golden Rule is to help others. That is our job, to help one another. And that's what motivates me. Kids are always fun because, well, they're entertaining. And that's the fun part of teaching kids. You're welcome.
Well, the characteristic for this week, write it down, please. Treating each other with respect, being nice. You can be generous. You can be generous. If I came in here and I gave everybody all of the candy, cake, and things that you all love, I would be generous. I'd be acting Kareem. I would be showing that characteristic. Our kids learn from us. So it's our responsibility to be an example of the kind of people that we want them to be or be better than. So the mannerisms or the characteristics that we're working on in this workshop is something that the parents should be exemplifying for their kids, so the kids can see how that characteristic is supposed to be enacted.
My name is Dr. Zain, and implementing programs on mathematics, science, logics, puzzles, and getting the kids to engage in different format that can make learning fun, but also thinking to become an entrepreneurs. For me, I think this is a challenge where they can do more about getting their mind to be more innovative, and work as a team. I mean, teach each other how to communicate, teach each other when to talk or when not to talk, and get them involved, in different format of learning. And I think we will be continue doing this kind of program and activities where they can get an overall holistic learning ability.
And over the years, it's been like 12 or 13 years that I've been involved here, and I see youth coming out of here that are inspired, who are intrinsically motivated, who are excited about learning, excited about knowledge, and they're able to translate that into their life here in the United States.
The Prophet ﷺ was sent to perfect our character. So if we can go back to emulating some of his characteristics, and we're hoping that inshallah through this workshop that it'll make the kids much better and productive members of society.
With the help of Allah and your charitable support, this facility will become the premier source of Islamic and other academic disciplines. Big or small, your financial contribution will have a lasting difference because you will reap the fruits of your deeds with Allah and in future generations. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "If the son of Adam dies, his work is cut off except from 3 types deeds: ongoing charity, sadaqah jariyah, and ongoing charity, knowledge that benefits him, or a righteous child who does dua for him." To contribute or donate to support building the future campus of IAIA through the bank account and find more information regarding IAIA, please visit our website at www.myiaia.org. May Allah reward you for your every support, and Assalamu alaikum.